Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Hope you guys rested very well last night. I did a late night video on Bitcoin yesterday, so make sure you guys do watch that. It was pretty good. We went over a few different coins there. All right, we're going to go over Ethereum today. Guys, I'm just going to roll through this as if I am waking up and we literally are all in my house this morning and we're all sitting at the dinner table and we're going through and we're just trying to make as much money as we can. So I'm going to show you guys my predictions for Ethereum. I'll show you guys the account of where that's sitting, the $100,000. And I'm also going to show you guys how to get into a really good Ethereum trade today if you have some extra cash. And I'll show you how to use very good risk management, which has yielded us 102 for 102 wins in a row. A program that we're using, that we've developed, I will show you guys how to get into that. In the second half of the video. We are going to be upping our prices for everything, so make sure you guys get in now, and you guys will be secure for the rest of the forever if you want, honestly, without paying higher prices. Anyways, let's get into this, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit here. All right, let's dive into price predictions. The first thing I do when I wake up in the morning and I look at Ethereum is I'm looking at the trend dashboard. This indicator here is 6 standard indicators that I would say most retail traders actually use. It's the RSI stochastic, MACD, and the major moving averages. Retail traders getting up this morning are most likely looking to sell into this market because they're nervous that it's going to keep going down because most of their indicators are bearish. However, we are going to be looking to buy this market because I believe we're going to be looking for moves back up. As far as price predictions, we're going to go over that, but I want to cover a little bit more here and then actually go over some metrics to show you guys what whales are doing in long and short trades. That'll give us a better data point in order to, actually give us accurate information of where we could be going. Okay, take a look at this down here. This is my next process in the morning. I look at the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. These two indicators down here, when we see the trend exhaustion at the bottom here, and we start seeing the well money flow at the bottom here as well, this is where I'm expecting to see moves back up. Like I am absolutely, you guys can write this down for notes today, I'm expecting to see a move back up on Ethereum. And I wouldn't doubt if we actually start seeing this within the next about 12 to 24 hours, we start seeing this move up. Obviously, you could head down further because we've got a lot of selling pressure, but I do think we're going to start seeing a move back up here soon. The reason for this is if you guys go like this and you make this a little bit bigger, I'm going to get in here a little bit tighter, you can see here that we're actually getting divergence happening here. So money's flowing into the market. Trend exhaustion is also going up here, but during the same period of time, we are seeing that the price structure is actually going down. This is a precursor to a move back up. Here's a little bit of a trend line that I would be watching as well on the chart to see if we could break. And we're basically very close to breaking that right now, so we could be getting bullish, maybe actually within the next 2 hours or so, okay? The reason why I talk about these so much, guys, is the accuracy of these indicators in here. If you guys see when we push up to the top red section here, as well as in the well money flow is high, trend exhaustion and well money flow, that's when we're getting to these high points and dropping. Trend exhaustion is getting high, well money flow is getting high, that's where we're dropping down back in the markets. We see trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, that's where we're dropping back down, okay? I won't go over a ton here, but my point being is that these are the two indicators we use to predict the market moves up and down, and this is how we've actually been able to exit our trades, all 102 wins in a row exiting in the profit. Okay, we're currently in this trade real quick. I'll show this to you guys and we'll go over the metrics. We got in December 8th and then we got in January 5th and we have 2 more buy limits here. I am not worried about Ethereum whatsoever. I think this is an incredible trade to be in and we have our break-even entry that's moving down here. All right, let's take a look at this. Once you guys have our membership and you guys get all of our trade calls, you get access to all of the metrics as well, which are extremely helpful. So let's go over this. The emotional index for Ethereum today, we are sitting in the neutral section here. So if you guys can see this right here, this is where it says neutral. We are not in an area right now where we are pushed up to very excited levels or very anxious levels. Okay, we're not doing that because we're in this consolidation period. So right now people are basically just saying, all right, we're neutral. Let's move down. Long versus short trades. We're seeing right now that short trades are increasing a little bit and long trades are actually increasing a little bit as well. So when I look at this in the morning, when you guys are assessing these metrics, what you're seeing here is we're getting a little bit of a competition. This is partly why I think that we're going to be seeing a little bit of a stalemate here for maybe just a little bit longer of going back and forth. But I want you guys to watch this. What I really watch for on Bitfinex for Ethereum is the fast increase of short trades, the fast increase. increase. When we've seen this in the past, this has correlated to drops in the market. And that's what we saw up here. It's the fast increase of short trades, and that's where we drop back down. So if I come out here one day, or you watch this, and we see short trades increase really quickly, that's where I'd be looking for that drop back down. I wouldn't doubt if that actually happens too, because we're just creating this like nice pattern here for an uptrend, okay? Looking at trades in favor, I did rename this yesterday. I gave a Telegram update for this. I think trades in favor is better than long for short trade risk. Here's the blue metric bar here. You guys see this blue line right here? This is showing what trade is in favor the greatest right now. And I just feel like that does a really awesome way of describing to you guys what trades are in favor. It is time for a good long trade. When we're down here and it pushes down into great long trade, the favor is lying on great long trades, guys. And this is where the favor was down here, and we saw this price move back up. Favor was on great long trades. We saw them move back up. Favor on great long trades. We saw them move back up. Guys, this is ridiculous. If you are watching this indicator down here, my apologies, excuse me, guys. Imagine this. What would you guys do if you guys were just watching this, and the moment that it ticked down here for you guys got into a long trade with our system, and you rode this up? Ton of money, great deal, great money. And I'll show you guys in this at the end of this video how to exit. Honestly, exit in the favor as well on your trades, okay? So I'm going to show you how to get it in a trade setup right now with Ethereum that you guys can make money on. Really, it's going to be very hard to lose too. You guys are like, how? Well, we've won 102 trades in a row. I could almost guarantee you're going to not lose this next trade and you're going to make money. Okay, well-institutional smart money. What you're seeing here is that when normal retail traders are getting, I would say, greedy and excited in the market, what you're seeing is short trades come out with Wells, institutions, and smart money. They're actually shorting, they're dropping the price back down. So when we get into these patterns where people are getting very anxious, Wells are going long and they're driving the price back up. When people are getting very anxious and fearful, you're seeing Wells drive the price back up with long trades. What we're seeing right now is the acquisition of long trades because we're dipping down here, which is another reason why I do believe Ethereum could start doing this rebound turnaround here very soon. Let's continue down. Support resistance prices. Greatest resistance right now is at 3,600. Greatest support is at 2,651. All right, if we head up here, and the trade I'm about to show you guys that we can get into, I think you guys could secure about 9.3% on this trade I'm about to show you, okay? If it goes down, I'll show you how to protect ourselves there, but I think you could secure about 9%. As far as a support break, we can come down here, we can break support, that's totally fine, about 2,900, but because we still have this descending support line we could bounce off of right here. You guys see that? So we still have a saving grace down here, even if we break the structure support. So I'm not really concerned too much for a bear move down, because even if we hit this here, we still are going to be able to hit this structure support over here as well. So there's a lot of actually structures saving us from going down too much further in the market. All right, dollar cost average entries real quick. You guys, if you have $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 into a green line every single time you get that, hold for the long run, you guys are going to do absolutely fantastic. Dollar cost average entries for diamond hand holders. Exit points. Well, we obviously haven't got any recently because we haven't headed up super far, but once we do, we will be seeing this come out, and then we'll be looking for drops back down. So, actually kind of bullish signs this morning. If you take all this and you look at the well money flow here, we're actually seeing that's a little bit of, bullishness in the market. You come up here, you look at, we're kind of neutral here with the emotional index, but I would say the price for well money flow and the trend exhaustion is bullish here. All right, you guys want to see how to get into a trade here that's going to be extremely hard to lose? Seriously, if you guys have like an extra $100, I'm going to start trying to do this on the channel with you guys. I need to liquidate some of my positions once they're in the profit, but once I do that, I'll be joining you. I'm doing this already, which is why I'm teaching you. Guys, our channel says 102 wins. We're far higher than 102. I've already taken 10 wins in a row while we've been in 102. Literally, guys, 10 trades in a row I've won while we've been at 102. That's why the market's going down and our account is not going down with it. We're only down, let me refresh this so I can get an accurate representation. We may be down 3% or something like that this morning. Sorry, I should have refreshed this first. Okay, we're down a little bit further. So about 4.9%. Great. Not worried about that whatsoever. Here's how you guys get into a trade setup. Our program that we're using here is going to be extremely valuable for you guys. We only charge $49 a month right now, and you guys are going to get access to all those metrics. All of these metrics you guys get to have in your pocket every morning to call the tops and the bottoms, like all those good long trades. That's all money. You guys can make as much money as you want with our membership. That's it. We are going to be upping this February 25th to $95 a month, but I will grandfather all of you guys in. So just make sure you get in at $49 right now, okay? That'll give you access to all the metrics, but I'm also going to be giving you guys access to all the live trades with this. So let's go over live trades because this is where you guys make the money, right? Make sure you guys do sign up with that because it will be going up in price, okay? We're talking about Ethereum today, obviously, but I want to talk to you guys about Bitcoin and how to set this up, and I'll show you guys basically how to do this on Ethereum. I want to keep it private for our members. For it, pretend this is the Ethereum chart. The principle stays the same. The exact same principle, exact same, okay? Excuse me. This morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, you guys are going to see this update to 119. Here's all you guys are going to do. And again, we're going to relate this to Ethereum. You're going to have 4 buy limits. Let's say you have $1,000 you want to trade with right now. I will show you. This is a trade that's going to be extremely hard to lose. And you guys are going to see why, because it has really good risk management. You're going to take $1,000 and split it into 4 equal portions, $250 each. Say you put $250 here, $250 here, $250 there, and $250 there. Great. Set all your buy limits up at the same time in your exchange. Okay. Now, once your first buy limit is hit, you want to come in here and you want to set up a sell limit right here for 100%. Just getting prepped for the next one here. Set a sell limit up here in your exchange for 100%, which right now on Bitcoin is at 51,995. Each of our coins have 4 buy limits and a sell limit this morning. All right. Now, last step, follow me in Telegram here. Sign up on Telegram on your personal phone or your computer first, and then click this link right here, and now we'll give you guys access into Telegram where we're actually using all the indicators, the trend exhaustion, price flow, money flow, and trend dashboard. We're using these indicators to call exits, okay? So if you guys get into this trade this morning, again, I'm not a financial advisor. For Ethereum, you guys are going to see 4 yellow lines, and you're going to be able to get into this market, okay? What's going to happen this morning is you guys are going to be able to get in. Right now, you're going to be able to get into the first buy limit. It's going to be very close. You're going to have a second, third, and fourth buy limit, just how we got into a first, second, third, and fourth buy limit. All right. Once that first buy limit is hit here, and you still have 3 more, here's what I want you guys to do. Make sure you guys have our indicators. The trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow. Very quickly, let me show this to you guys so I don't go out of sync here. The indicator link is in the description. The bundle pack is the absolute best thing to get because this is not going to be going up in value when the indicators go up. So this coming January, I'll try to put a date on here next time. Let me see, refresh this. January 28th, we are upping all the indicators. Okay, this next coming Friday, all of like the 3 indicators that we use on our charts, the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. These that I'm about to show you on this chart here to how to exit that Ethereum trade, these are going to be going up in price, okay? You want to snag these. The thing about this, though, is if you get these 3, it's better to just get the bundle pack because right now I've got this so cheap for you guys that you guys actually get a total of 9 indicators with the bundle pack instead of just 3, so you guys can take advantage of all these. Like literally all of these indicators. You get all of these. It's kind of crazy. I put them all on the chart here, or the website. I didn't realize how long it was going to be. You guys get all of these indicators in the bundle pack. All of them. They're incredible indicators. By the way, these have never been coded on TradingView ever before. They're brand new, as well as these are brand new to TradingView, and we recoded these recently to be even more accurate. The quality that you guys are going to get to call the market pumps and drops are absolutely insane. This is what we call the jackpot indicator if you guys watch this video right here. Anyways, get the bundle pack today. That is going to be the absolute best deal because we are going to be raising prices on January 28th, which is the next Friday coming up. Okay, now you guys have that. It's in the description. Make sure you don't miss it. Grab it today. Here's what I'm going to show you guys. That Ethereum trade that I just showed you, when we go over here, you guys are going to set up that Ethereum trade today. It's going to have 4 buy limits. Here's what I want you guys to do. You guys are going to have a buy limit very soon, close to this price, and you're going to have 3 other buy limits, just like we do. Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to set up an alert. The trend exhaustion, a lot of you guys are going to be able to get in this morning into this trade. And if you guys want, I'm going to go ahead and just say this to you guys. If you want, because the prices dropped so fast, if the price has not hit our first buy limit, when you guys look at our charts this morning over on our website, let me show this to you. If the price has not hit our first buy limit on Ethereum this morning, or you can do this on any of our trades, you guys can go ahead and market order in with 25% because we are so low on a drop right now. But please wait for me to call that out on videos. So you can get in right now with 25% and then set up your 3 other buy limits. Once the trend exhaustion comes back up here in the top red section, all you're going to be doing is looking for an exit when the trend exhaustion's high and the well money flows high as well. Okay? I've proven to you guys the accuracy of this, and we have called the last 15 drops in a row with these 2 indicators. I'm serious, guys. Like, this is going to be be a hard trade to lose, and you guys could probably just literally walk away right now with about maybe 9%. Just going to structure high, you're looking at 9.3. Coming up to the resistance is about 11.07%. Why am I not buying into this right now? Because I've already got money in it. I've got buy limits set up. I'm going to make money if this goes up. It doesn't matter. So if it goes up for you guys, it's going up for me, and I'm going to make money in my account. So I've already got money in here. I'm trying to teach you guys how to do this. Here's what you want to do here. Come over here to the alerts and click the alert setting. Once you have the trend exhaustion set up, and then guys click trend exhaustion over here, and then just come over here and do watch for drop. Awesome. Do once per bar. You guys can have it open-ended depending on what TradingView account you have, and just do this. Do Ethereum, watch for drop. I'm going to start teaching this to you guys because, sorry guys, I keep clicking something else over there. And then come over here, watch for drop, and then click create. You guys are going to see it right here. I've actually did a couple yesterday because I wanted to demo test this out, but I can remove that. So now you actually have an alert. What I was going to say is I want to start showing you guys how to do this on the videos because it's kind of deceiving. I've been seeing people like, oh, we're only at 102 wins. Guys, I've literally won like 10 trades in a row while we've been at 102. So this is, it's not deceiving because we literally are 102 for 102, and I'm waiting for the trades to actually mature that we got into. But more money coming into the market, I've won trades like all the time. I've won like 4 Matic trades in a row. We won 2 Mana trades as well as another AVAX trade that you guys have seen. And I've done this before, like while we're in 102 trades. So this stat here, guys, is transparent of what we cover on YouTube. But you can win a whole lot more than that if you're just using our strategy. And I'm teaching that to you guys now. So remember, first buy limit gets hit there. Now, let me show you guys why this strategy is so ridiculously amazing. Just as my first buy limit got hit here and my second buy limit got hit, what happened was the entry didn't stay up here at 42.47. Just as your entry, if we come crashing down and hits your second buy limit, is not going to stay at this 31.30. It's going to move down. So once the second buy limit got hit, what happened here, guys, is I had a break-even entry come down here. I calculated this last night. It was about 7.5% that I saved immediately doing nothing but letting the buy limits get hit. That's it. So once you guys, if the price goes down here and the buy limit gets hit, you're immediately going to have a lower break-even entry. Celebrate, guys. And then once it goes back up here, guess what? It's even better because now you have 2 buy limits worth of money in the trade. Your break-even has dropped further down. Your entry has dropped with you, magically with you, because you have a break-even entry now. Add your first and second entries divided by 2. That's the easiest way to do it. And then you guys, once you're in the profit and the trend exhaustion is up here to the red section and your alert goes off, take some profit, take 100%, take 50%, and then set a stop loss and then write it up. I'll show you guys how to do that in the Telegram channel because I'm going to be exiting these trades very soon. Like Matic, Matic is going down here a little bit. I'm actually hoping Matic comes down and hits the second buy limit because then we're actually going to get up here and we're going to make profit even faster. So that's how you guys trade with us. Literally, you could take a trade right now, and I wouldn't doubt if a lot of you guys end up actually coming out here, seeing a market move back up, and you guys make about 7 to 10% on this, maybe about 9%, okay? That's what you guys need to do and set this up. That's how we're winning. And the tools that you guys need are just simply the entries for all of our coins that are meticulously placed every morning. Get all the metrics to show you guys where the great long trades are and what Wells institutions are doing. And then join me in the Telegram channel. So this is all you guys got to do right here. Come over here to pricing. Get your membership at $49 a month. Come over here and get this now before we up it to $95 a month. We'll grandfather you guys in. Set up your indicators. Make sure you guys get in the bundle pack. It's just absolutely the best deal we've got right now. Get all 9 indicators. Once you check out, you guys get them for life. It's not a monthly subscription. Get them for life. You guys also end up getting a video to show you guys how to set this up. And on top of that, you get source codes to all of these so nobody can take them away from you on TradingView. I show you guys how to upload them and you guys get them forever. Okay? So God bless you guys so much. Get into a trade. Make some money today. Like there is a trade right now that you guys can set up that I just showed you. Come over here. Go over to the live trades, click on Ethereum specifically, use our buy limits that I'm showing you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Use those buy limits with really good risk management, and it's going to be extremely hard to lose that trade. Okay? All right, guys, I'm giving you free money here if you want to make some money this week. That's how you're going to do it. I'm going to start showing you how to do this on the videos to come. So there you guys go. Get the indicators in the description to call your exits and make money with that, as well as get your membership where you're looking at all the extra metric data for each of the coins to help you make more money, as well as all the buy limits. I'm doing everything for you guys. You just have to place your trades. All right? Make sure you're signed up today before the membership goes up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.